How to add friends on Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add friends. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the bottom, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Here, we are in this profile settings. Now, you'll be able to add friends right on the top. Simply tap on add friends, and here you can have three different options to add different friends. So you can choose from your contacts, directly search the friend's name, and even share the follow link. So it's better you share the follow link. Now simply tap on it. Now here you can share this QR code with anyone and in other social media platforms too. So other friends will be able to easily add you, and you can even add them back, and you'll be done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.